So this is the new WIT2 from Matco. Comes with two different plugs that go through the grommets. So you have a bent one for smaller tubing, you have a bigger one for larger tubing. The nice feature about this, it comes with this crimpable hose. So instead of having to electrical tape a wire to it, you can just crimp to the end, which I'll show you right here. So what you do, you take your tool, shove it through your grommet, feed your crimpable tubing, grab whatever wire you're going to use, put your wire in there, crimp it down, and you're just going to pull it right back through. And then all you're going to do is cut off this end, and you have your wire inside your vehicle to rewire wherever you need.